In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive Cloud Storage as a network drive. This handy capability lets you easily access your online files directly from your computer's file explorer, just like any other folder on your system. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft account webpage and enter your credentials. Make sure you have your account details ready to sign in smoothly. Once you're logged in, locate the app's launcher, typically represented by a small grid icon. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of Microsoft applications at your disposal. From there, find and click on OneDrive. This action will take you to the home page of your OneDrive account, where all your cloud stored files are accessible. Now pay close attention to the address bar in your browser. You'll notice a unique identifier referred to as the root and CID number. Your next move is crucial. Copy and save this number somewhere secure. This number will serve as your link to establishing a network drive, so handle it with care. Moving forward, open your File Explorer. Once it's open, navigate to this PC. Here, we're going to set up your network drive. Look for an option symbolized by 3 dots or more options. Clicking on this will provide several actions you can take, but what you're looking for is Map Network Drive. Once you've clicked this, a window will appear prompting you to enter a folder. Type in the URL https://d.docs.live.net into the folder field. Immediately after typing in this URL, paste the unique root and CID number that you saved earlier. With these details input correctly, proceed by clicking Finish. A moment later, a prompt will appear asking you to log in with your OneDrive username and password. Enter these details to authenticate your access. Once you're logged in, click OK to finalize the process. And that's it, you've successfully mapped your OneDrive storage as a network drive on your computer. Thanks to this setup, you can now seamlessly browse and manage your OneDrive files directly from your File Explorer. This powerful feature will undoubtedly enhance your workflow by making your cloud files more accessible and easier to manage right from your desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to save it for future reference and share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the newfound convenience of using your OneDrive as a network drive.